Looking for a fancy yet bite-sized dessert for your holiday soiree? We're talking about Petit Fours, the epitome of elegance in the form of a dessert. These little gems can elevate any holiday gathering, adding a touch of sophistication to your festive spread. Stay tuned to discover how to create your very own Petit Fours. First things first, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a delicious cake mix, smooth icing, and pliable fondant. Don't forget your favorite fillings and toppings, such as jams, creams, and sprinkles. With these ingredients ready, you're set to start. The magic begins in the mixing bowl. We start by blending our ingredients to a smooth consistency, creating the base for our Petit Fours. Once mixed, we pour the batter into a pan and let it bake until it's golden and fragrant. After cooling, we cut this delectable cake into dainty squares, ready for the next phase. The squares are then layered with rich fillings, enveloped in glossy icing, and adorned with intricate fondant designs. And voila! Your Petit Fours are ready to impress. Now, for the final touch, presentation. The beauty of these bite-sized delights lies not just in their taste, but also in their presentation. Arrange them on an ornate platter, allowing the vibrant colors and intricate designs to truly shine. Don't shy away from adding a sprinkle of garnish for that extra dash of elegance. And remember, nothing pairs better with these Petit Fours than festive drinks, adding to the holiday cheer. With these Petit Fours, your holiday soiree is sure to be a hit. That's it! Fancy yet bite-sized dessert for your holiday soiree. With a dash of love and a sprinkle of elegance, you've just created a masterpiece in the form of Petit Fours. These little delights are not just about their taste, but they also add a touch of sophistication to your festive spread. So let's recap. You've gathered your ingredients, prepared the mixture, baked and finally presented these bite-sized gems. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and fancy recipes like this one. Until next time, happy baking!